How to make pure tablea. Foods. We travel, we discover. Put the cacao seeds and mix thoroughly in heat of 145 degree to 160 degrees Celsius and mix it thoroughly until the cacao seeds begin to cook. Mix it. Mix, 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 mix. Our cacao seeds is already cooked. Remove the cacao shells, just like this. Remove and remove until all seeds are fine and no cacao shells. When it finish our cacao shells to remove, this is our next steps. Put all cacao seeds in tapa. Mix it and remove the tiny particles of shells in cacao. This is our finished product, cacao seeds. The all cacao shells removed. Our cacao seeds grinding in machine, just like this. When it finish grinding, this is the cocoa beans. Very fine. And also have a cocoa oil. Now we start molding our tablea bar. Just like this. And also this is our finished product, tablea bar, to making stick roti. Thanks for watching to our YouTube channel. we travel, we discover. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button. Thank you very much.